Hey guys, I'm Dutybeard, and if you're watching this video, then you're looking for new ways to... Oh no, not again! Hello, and welcome to another episode of Dutybeard Teaches You How to Do Things in OBS. Now, as you may or may not have noticed, I added some really extra cool lights to my setup here, and I'm really proud of it. Now, I have a question for you guys at home. Do you guys like these videos with the sexy lighting here, or do you guys like the videos like this with my other green screen lighting and everything? Please let me know in the comments so I know which ones to do for you guys. For now, I'm going to keep the sexy light. If you watched my last video, which is actually another amazing OBS Discord overlay, then you'll probably know that you'll probably remember that I started working out on stream recently. Now, even though I only did it one time, it was amazing. I've been crazy energized. I've been working out all week. I've been watching my diet, and I'm probably live right now, working out right now as you're watching this. So check me out on Twitch. It really does support me. It is my full-time job, and it is my main gig. So let's go ahead and get started. I have two amazing OBS plugins for you to check out. They're super easy. This tutorial will take just a few minutes, I promise. The first plugin I'm going to show you is really easy to use, and it's called Scale to Sound. To find the download links for this plugin and other plugins, I usually just go over to the OBS forums and see what's new. I'll have a link down in the description for this plugin and for the whole website and everything that you're gonna need. But in case you were wondering where these come from, all you gotta do is go to the main OBS forum and check it out for yourself. They're really easy to find, and there will be some that you had no idea existed. Once you've made it over to the forum, you're gonna wanna click on plugins and then go to this one right here on top that I highlighted, Scale to Sound. Now, I'll level with you, I always have to look up YouTube tutorials on how exactly to install plugins on OBS. Doesn't even matter how many plugins that I use every single day, doesn't matter how long I've been using plugins for OBS, I always forget exactly where to put in the plugins for OBS. That being said, I've linked a YouTube video in the description below that always helps me. So check that out if you have no idea how to put in any plugins or if you need a refresher. Once you have everything all set, go ahead and add a random image to just test this new filter out. Exactly like I did on my left. You're right. Oh, look what else is down here. It's G Fuel. Hey, you know, I'm sponsored by G Fuel. You know, if you go to the link in the description and use code DUTY on your G Fuel purchase, you'll get a really nice discount. Just tell them Dutybeard sent you. Now, once you're ready and you've loaded up your image, go ahead and right-click it, go to Filters, and you'll see this screen. Go ahead, right-click, and add your Scale to Sound plugin. If you put in everything correctly, it should appear right here in your filters. After you've done that, you'll see these really easy controls. Once you see them, if you're familiar with OBS filters, you'll probably figure it out right away. One thing I really like about this is you can even choose an audio source. So maybe you only wanted to react to one single sound. You can actually put the audio source in your OBS and then have it react to that. For now, I'll go ahead and put desktop audio, and I'll just play some music when I need to show you what it does. The audio threshold is how loud or soft that your audio that it's reacting to is going to be and how loud it will actually react. Let's just keep it like that for now. The minimum size is how small your image is going to be when music is not playing or when it's quiet. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down to give it a nice invisible effect until something actually appears. The maximum size, as you probably guessed, is how big the image is going to get once the sound starts going. These controls are pretty cool. I'm going to leave them alone. Inverse scaling is probably what you guessed, and it'll give you the opposite effect. It'll make the image get smaller as the sound actually comes out. I'm going to go ahead and keep that, and let's see what happens once I play a little music. All right, good old Ben Briggs. Can't go wrong with him. And that's it for plugin 1, and now the moment you've all been waiting for, an even easier tutorial on the time warp scan from TikTok for your Twitch streams. Once again, the links to the OBS forum and the links to all these plugins will be down in the description, but to find the time warp scan and other plugins, just go to the OBS forum, the plugins tab, and it should be right here, time warp scan 0.1.6. Now, one thing that I love about this plugin is that it comes with its own installer. Once you click on download, you're going to be met with this menu, which allows you to select which program you're running and what installer you want. AKA, sit back and relax because this one's on autopilot, meaning you don't have to put any plugins in any folders. Once you've got everything installed, go ahead and right-click on your effect filters and go ahead and add the time warp scan. Once again, I've already done it, so I'm not going to add it, but I am going to show you the controls right here. These are basically the default controls. It's going to act exactly like it does on TikTok. But the cool thing about it is that you can change this guy, the rotation. So let's say you want it coming in 100, or let's say 90 degrees. So let's see what happens with that. Oh, so now it comes in from the side. You can do all sorts of stuff. Look at how beautiful that is. Gorgeous. Have fun with it, mess around, just do whatever you want. This is the most fun filter that there is on OBS so far, and chat loves it. Your chat will absolutely love it. Now, how do we let everybody else in chat use this for us? If you've seen my other tutorials, you know that I'm a huge user of Leoron board, and this is no different. This down here is the command line that I use in my Leoron board to make the time warp appear, hold for a little bit, and then disappear. Go ahead and pause the screen or rewind and check this out if you're really confused or you're just setting it up now and you want a reference. Also, let me know in the comments what you come up with. Go ahead and post your clips to the ways that you use this time warp scan. I want to see it. And that's it. Easiest tutorial ever. I told you this was going to be super short. I hope you really enjoyed these tutorials. If these helped you and these helped your stream, please give me a follow on Twitch. It really does helping me. It really does help. Like I said before, it's my main full-time gig and it really supports me. Either way, I hope you enjoy these tutorials and I really hope it helps your streams. Thank you so much. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below, and I'll see you next time.